og velkommen til Kulturstationen Vandløse. Mit navn er Cecilie Pedersen, og jeg er ansat her på stedet. Og i aften er det mig en glæde at byde velkommen til Tiffany Janning og Lise Bostrup fra forlaget Bostrup. Og vi skal have en aften her om de vestindiske øer og om Vekslernes øer, som bogen hedder på dansk. Nu vil jeg give ordet til Lise, så du kan fortsætte.
Ja, så jeg har glædet mig rigtig meget til at komme her og præsentere Tiffany. Tiffany er fra St. Thomas, og jeg var så heldig for 1,5 år siden at komme til de vestindiske øer til en festival, The Virgin Island Literary Festival, fordi jeg skulle snakke om H.C. Andersen, det var en helt anden historie. Og på den festival, der var Tiffany så hovedtaleren, og hun var lige debuteret med den her roman, Land of Love and Drowning. Og jeg blev fuldstændig forelsket i den roman og i Tiffany. Og så spurgte jeg hende i pausen, om hun kunne tænke sig, om måske at få den oversat og lave noget i Danmark. Og så stod en mand ved siden af og sagde, hvis du vidste, hvor mange gange hun har sagt, mens hun skrev den, at den skulle de nu næsten have lov til at læse i Danmark. Og så kunne vi jo så godt finde ud af at få lavet noget. Så nu vil vi præsentere bogen.
I'm so happy to be here. Thank you all for coming. I'm born in the Virgin Islands, which many of you know is a former Danish colony. My grandmother was the youngest child of a very important captain on the island. And when his ship went down, he went down with his ship. And my grandmother was only 3 years old. But the story of his ship going down was really a momentous time in Virgin Islands history. It was said that when his ship went down, every Virgin Islands family lost someone on his ship. It's a really important time in our history. It's in our history books, actually. During the same period, this is the early 1920s, that his ship went down, the Virgin Islands was being transferred from Danish to U.S. rule. That happened in 1917, and we are celebrating next year the 100-year anniversary of that transfer. So our islands were moving from Danish to U.S. rule, and we were very confused. What are we? Who are we? Are we Danish? Are we American? Are we Caribbean? We didn't know. So at the same time that my family was losing the father, my whole islands were also losing the fatherland of Denmark. And so these two things together are what brought me to write this book, to put together the family truth and also the national political truth and how those things are tied to each other.